Hi everyone, welcome to Mighty Kiddo. So today we will be discussing diaper rash. Any baby or toddler can develop diaper rash at any time. Now, anytime your child is prescribed an antibiotic or when we transition from baby food to solid food, that can increase the likelihood, as well as anytime they have diarrhea and when they start sleeping through the night. Now, the number one way to prevent a diaper rash would be essentially to change your child's diaper pretty often, even if it's just wet. Changing a wet diaper reduces the moisture on your child's skin. One of the factors that causes diaper rash is the moisture and friction that happens when the kiddos are moving around in a wet or soiled diaper. That's a simple, easy fix. However, the ones that take a little bit more care are how to treat those diaper rashes. So once your child has a diaper rash, it is important to clean the area gently, okay? I typically, if it's soiled with like a poopy diaper, I typically clean it with water wipes. These are the wipes that I have. These are my choice of wipes. I like these because they are 99.9% water, so they don't have any other chemical ingredients that might irritate already sensitive skin. So these are my everyday wipes, which I highly recommend. I will link them in the description below. Now, once you have cleaned their diaper with the wipes, I also clean it with cleansing water from Estella. Just squirt a little bit of water, and then I just make sure I clean all the crevices with a cotton or a washcloth, whatever I have handy at that time. This really helps for an everyday, poopy diaper, pee-pee diaper during the time that he has a flare-up of rashes. Then I like to finish it up with diaper rash cream. There's 2 diaper rash creams that I personally use, and those are the only ones I can recommend because I have experience with them. Those diaper creams are the Mistela diaper cream, right? I really love this brand. And then the Weleda brand. This one's super effective, and I do this on his bottom, right? I make sure it's all lathered, and then I follow it up with my mom's secret, and it's always worked marvelous for my little guy. And it's cornstarch. Obviously, don't use cornstarch if your child has a corn allergy because it can irritate it or make it worse. But otherwise, if your child has no allergies, no known allergies, give it a try. And don't judge me, okay? I didn't peel this off, but I like to reuse my jars. So I put my cornstarch in here with a little scoop and then just spread it on the baby's bottom. And voila, that takes care of his diaper rash. And this is something that I do at every diaper change. Now, so I want to share with you some other options that you can do to treat your child. And one of them is if you still have breast milk, oh my gosh, use some breast milk, throw it in their bath, and give them a breast milk infused bath. The breast milk has so many properties that help cure and heal the skin. So breast milk is super good to do during a bath time. So just pour it in there, have your baby sit there at least 10 minutes or so, and then voila, you could keep doing your regular stuff. Like you could still go ahead and do the diaper rash cream and the cornstarch afterwards. Now, the second thing that is actually really helpful is the apple cider vinegar soaks. So if you grab somewhat of a big bowl and put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a bowl full of lukewarm water, have your baby sit there for about 10 minutes or so. Now, when you remove him from there, just pat dry his bottom a little bit and preferably let it air dry, right, before you do any of the diapering things. Now, the next tip will grant your child instant relief, and that is mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a bowl of lukewarm water. And what you want to do is you want to dab this mixture and put it on your baby's bottom. It will definitely help feel better and provide more relief. The reason this works is because the salts found in baking soda are highly alkaline, and this helps neutralize the acidity and the bacteria that can be caused by a diaper rash. Last tip I have for you is aloe vera gel, pure aloe vera gel. I will link a suggestion down in the descriptions below, but if you have one that you trust, go with that one. So the reason why aloe vera gel works greatly for your child is because it has a lot of nourishing and antimicrobial properties to it, and their antioxidant properties promote faster healing as well. So all you want to do with the pure aloe vera gel is dab a little bit of it on your baby's affected area, let it dry a little bit before you diaper it. I hope these have been helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.